Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have got an exciting unboxing to do. It is a very big box. So the company Salter, I have worked with them before. They gifted me a soup maker, which was really good. They got in contact again, and this time they are gifting me some saucepans, so that's really exciting. I actually needed some new ones anyway. But they've also got a competition going on at the moment. So if you have these pans, I'll show you in a minute, then you can enter the competition on Instagram. Just upload a photo and do hashtag share with Salter. I think that's the hashtag. I'll put it in on the screen if it's not. But yeah, you can enter the competition and be in the chance to win £1,000. So yeah, I'm going to show you what they have gifted me, and then I'll also do some cooking with them so you can see them in action as well. Okay, so I've got the box here. Let's open it and see what I've got. So I've got a saucepan here. It's Megastone Noir collection. So it's got the competition on here, chance to win £1,000. I will put all the details in the description box so you know how to enter and everything. But it says on here that it's metal utensil safe. Well, that's good. Uses little to no oil, and PFOA free, which I don't actually know what that means, but I will find out and I'll put it on the screen. 7 times tougher than standard non-stick. So that sounds good. Let's open that one and see what it looks like. Oh look, as well, it says gas hob, electric solid hob, halogen, radiant ring, induction and dishwasher safe. So you can use it on induction as well. So that's good. So this is, I don't know if you can see properly there. This is the first one. So let's see what other ones I've got in here. It's quite a big box. I'm not sure. They just said they wanted to send me some of the collection, so I don't actually know how much is in here, but it looks like quite a lot. So we've got the 16cm saucepan as well. And we've also got this little 20cm frying pan. How cute. Wow, and this big 28cm frying pan as well. So I'm really grateful. Thank you so much, Salter, for sending me all of these. And thank you to all of you subscribers, viewers. If you leave a comment, if you watch my video, anything like that, thank you, because I would never be asked to collaborate with brands and be gifted these nice things without you. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. So I'll show you what they look like, and I will I'll do some cooking so you can see it in action, and I will make sure that I leave all the details for the competition in the description box if you'd like to enter. Okay, so I've unwrapped all of them. So we've got the big saucepan and the little saucepan, a little frying pan and the big frying pan. It's a different kind of texture that I've seen before, so I'm excited to try them out. So on the meal plan today is honey and chili halloumi wraps. So I will use a frying pan for the halloumi and show you how it works. make dinner, Jack?
Yeah.
You're doing some cutting. Can you show me your new knife? Your new
I'm cutting.
Okay.
I'm busy cutting.
Okay, thank you. I was really impressed with this pan because I used no oil at all, and I even burnt the halloumi a little bit, and here I am washing it up one-handed, not putting any effort in at all, and it cleans off really well. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to go and look in the description box if you'd like to enter the competition. Good luck, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye!